Hey Sable fam, we are on a daddy Sunday trip day, whatever. But they have no idea where I'm gonna take them. It's a surprise. So I've been letting them know since I think Wednesday. I found a perfect spot for them. I think they're gonna enjoy it. I think they're gonna love it. I think they're gonna be excited. But they don't know.
It's Five
Jonah,
Below.
where do you think it's gonna be?
I think we're gonna go to Five Below to get some more toys.
Five Below.
Wow.
Noel, what do you think?
I think we're gonna go to 6 Below and get some Sonic toys.
These guys are way off. They're nowhere close.
No, trampoline park. Trampoline
You say
park.
trampoline park? What do you say?
Trampoline park.
Oh. Alright guys.
The one that we saw on TV.
The one that we saw on TV. Oof, that's in a whole nother state, buddy. Listen, Sable fam, I don't want to speak into the camera while I'm driving, so give us a few seconds. Next time you'll see us, we'll be pulling up at this mystery place. So like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. See you in a little bit. Let's go. Alright guys, so we are, there goes Jonah. Jonah looks like he's, oh there you go. Where's Noel? There you go. So Sober family, we are back and I'm about to pull up. I just want to see if these guys are going to recognize anything.
Take the next left, then your destination will be on the right.
Because they may or may not recognize it, guys. So
Recognize what?
they may not recognize anything.
We're gonna go on ninja training.
Yes.
We're gonna
Let
do
me see.
ninja.
Oh yes. I can back flip.
Guys, we're at this place.
Called Ninja.
As a matter of fact, I might need to turn it around. So give me a second, guys. I gotta turn it around because I think I did something to where I can't do it anymore.
Woo.
So
Wait,
we're here at a place called
You like
Ninja.
my new shoes.
He got some new
And
shoes.
look at
guys.
my
He
new
got some new
shoes.
shoes.
Guys, I got
Yeah,
3
some
new
new shoes,
shoes
too.
because my feet are big.
Yeah, they're growing. So
And I have to keep all my old
you know, they like watching Ninja Kids and stuff like that.
Ninja Kids and Ninja.
So we're gonna go ahead and check this place out, guys. And
And we also watch
see how fun it is.
Ninjago. We also watch Ninjago too.
Who?
We also watch Ninjago.
Noel. That's a lot of noise, brother. Alright. Are you ready? Alright, so I'm gonna
And fun. Yeah.
So, hold on.
Yeah.
So what's this place called, guys? It's called Ninja Adventure. Parties, obstacle course, all this kind of stuff.
Oh, where we can
So,
learn how to be ninjas?
We're just gonna go into the obstacle course.
Your destination.
Parties for us, so let's go.
And guys, we only know a little bit of ninja.
Is it this?
We only know a little bit of ninja stuff.
Alright, let's go. Awesome. It's a little sticky sometimes.
Yeah, but they have to pull up my
Alright guys.
skin.
Alright guys, so what do you think? What do you think so far? What are you about to do?
I'm about to go over there.
I'm gonna go do some. I'm gonna try to go
Alright,
do a
guys.
backflip.
Daddy, there's a leg up here.
Yeah, that's a lake.
I know there's a leg right there.
Look.
It's not too far from the house, buddy.
Wait, just give
Come on, Noah. Can you get up there?
Just give me like a slide.
Can you get down? Are you gonna follow your brother, man? Let's see. Go ahead. Let's see. Come on, Noel. You gotta swing a little bit, Josiah. Come on, swing. Put your feet on the ball. Then you have to swing. There you go. Keep them together. Noel, what about you? Look at Noah. You think you can do it?
Yes. Daddy, can you
Let me
lift
see.
me up?
Go ahead, man. Let me see.
Daddy, can you lift me up?
Let's see.
I can't.
Can you do? See if you can jump on that and swing. Then swing to it. Run and swing. Run. Yeah, there you go.
Daddy, can you lift me up?
Can I lift you up? Jump, Jonah. Jump to it. There you go. Come on. Jump. Jump, Josiah.
Lift me up. I can't reach. Wait, but Daddy. I'm going to
Hold on. Let Jonah do it first. Let Jonah do it first. See? That's how you're supposed to do.
Wait.
Come on, swing. Swing yourself. Kick your legs. You have to kick your legs like a swing.
Daddy, can you help me?
Hold on. Let Jonah do it one more time. And then I'll do it.
Wait, someone has to hold this still.
No, it doesn't. You have to time it and catch it. There you go. Swing, swing. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Can you get on it?
Daddy, now can you help me?
Oh, so how you can reach it.
Daddy, I can't reach up there.
You gotta put your arms out. Put your arms out. There you go. Okay. You wanna? What are you doing? What are you doing? Can you do it? Josiah, can you do it? There you go. See if you can jump to the next one. You can't jump to the next one? Grab it. There you go. Babies, there you go. No way. I don't think. Listen. Sorry, that's for little kids. That's for little kids, buddy. That's for little babies. Do the big. Let's do the big kid stuff. Oh, let's see you climb the wall. Let's see. Let's see if you can climb the wall. Get to the top. Get to the top. Get to the top. Keep going, Josiah. Keep going, Josiah. Keep going, Noel. Jump down, Josiah. Go up. Go to the top, Noel. Go from one to the other without falling on the ground. Can you do it, Josiah? Don't touch anything. Uh-oh. Oh, whoa. You gotta be careful with that. Come on, you gotta stay on it, Josiah. You can't touch. The floor is lava. The floor is lava, son. There you go. Uh-oh. No. Try it again. Try it again. Go back. Try it again. Try not to fall. Swing yourself. You have to balance and swing. Swing. Can you do it? Let's go. There you go. Swing it, go to the next one. Well, climb the rope. You there? See? The floor is lava. Climb the rope, Joe. Noel, climb the rope. Climb the rope. The bar is lava. The bar is lava. Be careful sliding down that boy. It'll hurt you. It'll hurt you. All right, now you know what you have to do with these, right? You have to climb on here, put your feet on here. All right? Uh-oh. Yeah. Okay, get up and there you go. All right, now try to get to the end without. Try to get to the end. Nope, you gotta go from bar to bar. It's like, uh-oh, come on. Have to make it to the end. Huh? Yeah, come on. Come on. Hey, can you do it? Let's go. Ah, come on, go back. Go back. Go back. All right. Look. Well, I don't know. What about this? Oh, right here. You know what they did right here, right? Hold on, go back. Try it again. Hey, hold on, Josiah. Let's see. You have to come with us, buddy. Are you gonna climb it? Let's see if you can climb it too. Come on, do what Big Brother did. No, you have to climb up. You have to climb up. You have to figure it out. Come on. Hold on, Josiah. Hold on, Josiah. Hold on. Hold on. Help your brother. Help your brother a little bit, Josiah. Help your brother a little bit. Noah, come on. Help him. Help him real quick. Give him a little boost or something. Come on. You have to use your own strength too. Use your arms to help you. He's trying to help him out, guys, but Noah doesn't.
What about I get on here and then I did a backflip, guys. Doing that on this.
Josiah, can you climb? Can you climb it from all the way underneath like that?
Oh, sure.
Can you do it from the bottom? Let's see you do it from the bottom. Come on, go. Don't touch the floor. Don't touch the floor. Let's go. Get to the top. Get to the top. Come on, Josiah. Ah! It's not as easy as you think, buddy.
Oh, wait.
It's not as easy as... What about... No. Josiah. Start from this point. Start from the standing position and pull yourself up. Come on, this way. Start from a standing position. There you go. Now let's see if you can get up. Come on, all the way to the top. All the way to the top. All the way. All the way to the top. Then you can jump down if you want. You can hang down and hang. Hang and jump. There you go, Joe. Go ahead and jump. There you go. Let's see if you can do it. No feet on the floor. No feet on the floor. Come on. Uh-oh. 2 feet. No. 2 feet. You have to be careful. You have to use both your feet. Come on. You can. There you go. No. You get on this wall all by itself. Come on, go. Follow Jonah. Look. Go ahead, let's see you do it. Let's see you get to the top, Jonah. Let's see you get to the top. Can you get to the top? Come on, you can do it. Come on. You can do it. Let's go. Let's go. Get to the top. You have to get to the top so you can run down. No. Get to the top. Climb to the top. Come on. Use your feet and your hands. There you go. Feet and hands. Keep going. Do not let go. No. You have to do it again.
Guys, I'm like tired.
Whoa. Do that again. Do that again. Let me see. Do it. Jonah does his different, but ultimately it's the same thing. Come on, let's get up there. Get up there. Get up there. Come on. Come on. You gotta be determined. You gotta be hungry. You gotta do it. Come on, keep going. Alright? You have to do it before we leave today. You okay? You burned your foot. Come on, Noel. Uh-oh, look. Uh-oh. Noel, Mike. Are you gonna go all the way up? You gotta go all the way up, buddy. All the way up. A what? You got a bruise?
It would be easier with shoes.
It a what?
It would be easier if I had shoes.
Are you sure about that? Oh, well, I guess it would be. But your feet should have enough grip. What you think?
It does not.
It doesn't?
Hey, Dad! Hey, guys!
What do you think so far, man? You like this place?
Hey, YouTubers, look!
What are you about to do?
Okay. I'm a real one. Okay, so pretend I'm a ninja and I'm sneaky.
You what?
Pretend I'm a ninja. Pretend I'm a ninja and I'm sneaking inside a bank to get the robber. Should I go on it? I
Can you do it?
Daddy, you sure this one? You gotta hang on another one.
You have to get to the bar now. You have to swing to the bar. Yeah, like that. You don't do it like that. 2 hands. There you go. Can you get it? Come on. Noel, are you gonna be able to make it? You can't do it? Let's go. Let me see. Say hello to the Sable fam. Jump down.
Okay, stop.
Trying to put a lot of those things below him so he can more. Go ahead and jump down. Jump down, Noel. Josiah, can you climb it and jump down? Oh.
Look, guys!
Watch this.
Do that again, Josiah. Do that again.
Subscribe. Everybody, we're gonna play. We're gonna stop videoing and start playing. So make sure you subscribe, give us a notification bell, give us 5